Action 10 Chief Meteorologist Sharon Ray with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Well, here we are at the beginning of October, and normally when we look at 30 years of data and average it all out, normally we should be around 87 degrees for the high temperature today. Well, we made it to about 94, so we're way above these numbers here. But you can see as we go through the next couple of months, we do see those temperatures continuing to drop as expected as we get our lower sunlight angle, less daylight, and nights get chilly too eventually. Right now our average nighttime lows are in the 60s, right now 69. But as we head into November, we drop into the 50s at night and even 40s during December. So we're heading that direction, and what we need are these cold fronts to start coming through in order to get us to these normal temperatures, and the first one is on schedule for Monday so far. Outside right now though, it doesn't feel like it. You can see those temperatures are hot. We're at 92 at Robstown right now, Port Aransas at 89, Kingsville 95 degrees, and there have been a couple of very tiny showers. Most areas did stay dry today, and we had lots of sunshine. You can see not much cloud cover out there this afternoon. These little showers off the coast are likely to die out before they make it to the coastline, so it looks like we're going to stay mainly dry this evening and a little on the breezy side. Right now winds are running about 15 to 20 miles per hour, still coming in from the southeast, but over the next few days those are going to shift to the east and then even east-northeast this weekend. So the humidity will come down a little. The heat indices will stay in the 90s as we get into Thursday and Friday. The winds relax and nights drop off a little bit for our lows into the lower 70s. For tonight, though, it's still going to be warm in the mid to upper 70s to near 80 at the coast tonight. There is a shower chance late tonight, and we do have spotty showers and or thunderstorms in the forecast tomorrow, but very hit and miss. So if you get under one, you might get lucky, but it looks like it's going to be a lot of dry time tomorrow and hot once again as we're well above average. We still have that coastal flood advisory, so if you're planning on heading to the beach tonight or tomorrow, watch for that water higher up on the beaches, especially this evening during high tide. Between 7 and 7:30 is when high tide hits, and we have a high rip current risk too. And look at the waves for tomorrow, still high at 4 to 5 feet. So maybe hold off a couple of days to get in that water. It'll calm down here later in the week. Rain chances there are very spotty tomorrow. They do come up a little more for Thursday. They're widely scattered for Thursday. And then it looks like we're drier this upcoming weekend. But as a cold front comes through Monday, we might pick up a few showers with that. Right now it doesn't look very impressive as far as rain with the front, but it will bring some cooler, well, slightly cooler air. That front is still sitting to the north, and eventually it is going to make it here. There are two fronts I'm watching. The first one it just stays to our north. You can see this is tomorrow morning. Again, we have a spot shower chance. We still have an east-southeast wind here. As that front, the first one, continues to drop south and high pressure builds, the winds will start to shift here a little bit to the east-northeast through Friday. We still have a chance of a few spotty showers or a thunderstorm through Friday, but it looks like we dry out this weekend. Look at the wind shift there to the north on Saturday. Now here comes the front that's here for Monday. Out ahead of that, look how dry it is for Sunday, and then the front comes in and there's that wind shift, and this time some slightly cooler and drier air will work its way in behind this front, and that's going to give us those temperatures in the 80s for Monday. Here is your 7-day forecast. It's brought to you by AutoNation. AutoNation will purchase your car, even if you don't purchase a vehicle from them. Shop now at the AutoNation lot near you. So for the time being, we're still dealing with the heat and humidity. In fact, we're going to see that temperatures come down just a little Thursday and Friday, but we're still above average. And then as we head into next week, you can see there's the weekend. It looks drier right now, and nights in the low 70s. Pretty nice weekend ahead to get outdoors, actually, with the light winds. But there's that front, and that cools us down further early next week.